Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Syahir Aiman bin Tunku Muhammad Solehan. My metric number is 05DKA221046. Alright, today I'm gonna tell you guys about our e-campaign. It is Building Safe Future, Public Safety and Health in Civil Engineering. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you about the introductions. The introduction is the civil engineering industry play a pivotal role in shaping public infrastructure and community safety. However, complexities and challenges associated with ensuring safety and health standards are significant. This proposal outlines an innovative e-campaign titled Building Safe Future, Public Safety and Health in Civil Engineering, aimed at educating stakeholders about critical safety protocol, health risks, and suitable practice in civil engineering. Okay, for this slide, I want to show you about our project scope of this e-campaigns. The first one is enhance awareness. Enhance awareness, increase understanding of safety and health standards specific to civil engineering. The second one is promote best practice. This campaign share innovative and sustainable practice to enhance public safety. And the last one is to encourage professional developments. This campaign equip professionals with the knowledge and tools necessary to implement safety measure effectively. After that, I'm gonna tell you guys about our objective. We have 4 objectives. The first one is education. We provide comprehensive educational content focusing on safety and health in civil engineering. The second one is engagements. We facilitate active participants from industry stakeholders through interactive webinar and discussions. The third one is resource accessibility. Develop and disseminate resources, including guide, toolkit, and infographic. The last one is evaluations. We establish a framework for assessing the effectiveness of the campaign and its impact on participants. That's all from me. Thank you.
So next, I will present about content development. Okay, first, safety protocol guide. Introduction to civil engineering safety protocols. Overview of why safety is critical in civil engineering project and the risks associated with the industry. Second, personal protective equipment PPE. Detailed descriptions of necessary PPE for workers in different environments. Example, hard hat, safety boot, high visibility vest, and glove. Next is health risk overview. Physical health risks. Identifying common physical health risks. Example, musculoskeletal disorder, the respiratory issue from dust or chemicals, and strategy to prevent them. Mental health. Discussing mental health challenges in high stress environments like long hours job insecurity and need for a supportive work culture. For sustainable practices in civil engineering. Sustainable construction materials. Discussing eco-friendly materials that reduce exposure hazardous chemicals such as low VOC paints and sustainable concrete. Waste reduction. Tips for minimizing waste on construction site, including recycle programs and sustainable disposal methods. Next is resource accessibility. Okay, first, health risk guidelines. Print, Printable PDFs with health risk mitigation strategies for workers. Second, sustainability resources. resources on sustainable building practices, materials, and certifications. For evaluation and feedback, pre-event surveys assess current knowledge levels regarding safety and health practices in civil engineering before participating in the campaign. Next, focus group. Conduct virtual in-person focus group with selected participants to dive deeper into the effectiveness of the campaign. For social media and promotional content, safety tips and best practices. Share short, actionable tips on safety protocols, health risks, and sustainability via social media posts. Second, campaign announcement. Promote upcoming webinars, workshops, and resource release.
My name is Dana. My registration number is 1095. I will present about the engagement and interaction. Number one is understanding public safety in civil engineering. For risk assessment is civil engineering projects involve various risks from structural integrity to environmental hazards. Engineers must conduct through risk assessments to identify potential dangers and mitigations them. The use of advanced modeling tools and simulations can help in predicting failure points, thereby changing public safety. Number two, compliance with regulations. Strict ad- adherence to national and international building codes, safety standards, and regulations is a core component of safe construction practice. Organizations such as OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health, and ISO, International Organization for Standardization, provide frameworks that engineers must comply with to minimize hazards. Number two, engaging stakeholders and communities. Public awareness and communications. Engaging communities in civil engineering project fosters a sense of ownership and awareness. Effective communication about risk, safety measures, and health impacts helps the public understanding the importance of safety protocol and builds trust. Number two, stakeholders engagement in decision making. Involving stakeholders, including governments, agencies, contractors, and residents, in the planning process ensure that the infrastructures must safety standards and address public concerns. Collaboration with these groups can lead to the identifications of additional safety measures and better resource allocations. For sustainable and resilience, number one is sustainable materials. The use of environmentally friendly and durable materials reduce long-term risk to public health and enhance the resilience of structure against natural disasters. Number two, climate resilience infrastructures. Designing infrastructure that can withstand climate extremes such as floods and earthquakes not my only protects public safety but also ensures the longevity of civil structure. Number two, promoting health and safety through design. Safe by design principle, this approach incorporates safety considerations directly into the design phase by focusing on safety from the beginning, engineers can reduce accident rates and health hazards associated with construction and the operation of civil structure. Number two, ergonomics and worker safety. Civil engineering also prioritize the health and safety of the workforce. This includes ergonomics designs, minimizing hazardous material exposure and ensuring safe working conditions to protect the health of those involved in construction project.
Hello viewers, my name is Nolan Rasman and my registration number is 05DKA22F1003 and I'm from DKA 5C. So today I will continue with the presentation with the chapter of technical proficiency. In the execution of this campaign program, technical proficiency was demonstrated through strategic platform utilization and effective multimedia integration. For the first main point, which is platform utilization, it was essential for reaching a diverse audience and viewers. This campaign utilized several platforms, such as LinkedIn, which we use to sharing in-depth articles, report, or insight of safety, health, and sustainability. Twitter for leverage of quick updates. Facebook focus on reaching a broader audience. And lastly, Instagram for visual storytelling using graphics, infographics, and short videos. Um, After that, we have email marketing. Email marketing for stakeholders to them to use to develop and send more personalized emails to keep the stakeholders informed of progress in the campaign, new findings or ideas to gather their feedback. The third one is website and blog. For the campaign management, the concept was used whereby reader could access extended articles, information, or case study in areas such as safety, sustainability, and ethics engineering. And for the last one, which is analytic and tech tracking. Website analytic from social network such as LinkedIn analytic and Facebook insights were used to measure interaction rates and explore demographic in addition to defining the campaign's impact. Uh, we move to the second main point, which is multimedia integration. For the multimedia integration, it was essential um, in making complex issues accessible and engaging for a broad audience. For the first point, we use video content. We produce educational videos, short videos explaining best practice in safety and health, environmental sustainability, and ethical standards in engineering. The second one is interviews and testimonials. Um, Interviews with experts in civil engineering, environmental sustainability, and public safety were produced to lend credibility and provide real-world insights. And the last one is animated explainers for topics like health and safety protocols for sustainable practice. For the second point, infographics. Infographics were designed to break down statistics and data related to safety, environmental impact, and ethical practice in civil engineering. Um, for the third point, interactive content. Interactive content such as quiz and polls, which we use um, to engage users on topics like safety awareness and sustainability practice. And the second one is webinars and live Q&A session. This for real-time engagement through webinars and Q&A sessions provided a platform for participants to ask questions and discuss topics like technology in engineering safety or ethical practice. And for the last one, for the multimedia integration is audio content. Audio content which we produce podcast segments. Short podcast episodes were created and shared on multimedia platforms where experts discuss relevant issues in a more conversational format. These segments appeal to an audience that prefers audio content, allowing for engagement on the go. So that's all for my presentation for today. So next, we will move to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aubrey Hendricks Anna Agustin and I will present about post-event evaluation. So this is all the content. So for the first content is target audience. We focusing on the civil engineering professional and student. The second one is policy, marker and regulation. The third one, environmental organization, and the last one is the general public, especially those in disaster prone areas. The second of my content is key campaign them. The first one is safety and health. We educate all audience on the impact of post-event evaluation on community safety and public health. We also include the infographic and video on best practice for structural assessment post-disaster. We also conducted webinar on public health impact of infrastructure damage with a focus on access to clean water and safe housing. And we have also case study showing successful health and safety improvement in civil engineering project after disaster. Then environment and sustainability. We highlight the importance of sustainable material and design to minimize environmental impact in post-event recovery. We also recommended article and social media posts about eco-friendly material and disaster-resistant design. The audience can create a blog like weekly green engineering tips shared through email and social media. One is technology and communication. We recommended to demonstrate the role of advanced technology and effective communication in post-event evaluation and recovery effect. We also showing to the audience live demo of 3D modeling, drone survey and AI application in evaluating damage structure. In this event also we have a podcast series on Teach for Tomorrow covering innovation that enhance evaluation and recovery efficiency. We also do some interview with teach companies or civil engineering who specialize in digital solution for infrastructure. Alright, the last of my content is campaign schedule. So for the first one is kick-off event. In this event, we have the host to launch the event with guest speaker from safety, health, environment and technology field, and also record the event and make it available on demand. The second one is weekly themes. Each week, audience can focus on a different theme. Like week 1, safety and health. Week 2, environment and sustainability with dedicated content across platform. Then the third one is social media engagement. We recommend the audience to share visual, infographic, and key insight on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook using um, campaign hashtag Save Rebuild Green Engineering. Then is email campaign. Audience also can send weekly email newsletter with curated content, key resources, and event invitation to campaign subscribers. Next is interactive webinar and workshop. We also offer weekly online session or question and answer forum with professional on each them, encouraging participation and interaction. And the last one is blog and article series. We recommend all audience to publish blog and post or article in reputable industry publication and website focusing on best practice, case study, and engineering trend in post-event evaluation. And the last one is important of post-evaluation. Why is important? Because of post-evaluation, review project success by checking if goal will meet, assessing technical quality, and analyzing resources used. Stockholder feedback, risk management insight, and documentation of lesson learned are key from improving future project.